What's good with you? Now, this is most certainly true that what they say about the lighting in pictures, because this is me sitting here without the lighting. And let me show you exactly what I'm going to use here. I bought this from the dollar store, probably particularly Dollar General, back when I was on my side hustle, cutting grass and all that different masonry stuff I was doing. So I'm going to show you. Once I hit this light, notice the difference, okay? That's what I want you to pay attention to here. Let me see. See that? Do you see the difference? Like, are you joking me? You got to be joking me. Without, with. Without, with. Without, with. Without, with. Crazy, ain't it?